What is IBF STS? The IBF training scheme provides funding for training and assessment courses accredited under the Skills Framework for Financial Services. For individuals, Singaporeans and PR based in Singapore are eligible for IBF funding. For companies, Singapore-based financial institutions regulated by MAS or fintech firms certified by Singapore Fintech Association are eligible for IBF funding. From July 1 to December 31, 2022, Singaporeans aged 40 and below and PRs are eligible for 70% funding, while Singaporeans aged 40 and above are eligible for 90% of funding. You may check the net fee after IBF funding on our website. For self-sponsored individuals, the net fee after funding are as follows. Please note that the net fee after funding differs for different IBF courses. Please check this box on our website for the fee. For individuals, you may use your SkillsFuture credit to claim the net fee after funding. For company-sponsored, we will send an invoice with the net fee after funding. You may search IBF on the search bar to look at the list of IBF courses we provide. To register, click on the course you are interested in. Select your preferred dates and fill your name to be on the certificate. Click on Register your interest to proceed. Proceed to register. Continue to check out as guest. Fill in your personal details. Click Continue once done. For the payment mode, select IBF funding. Continue. The total price shown will be before the funding. You do not have to make payment first. Make sure to submit your registration. If you see this page, your registration is successful. You should have received a copy of your registration form in the email you have signed up with. After registration, you may use the IBF Form link provided in the registration form to fill in your details. After clicking on the link, it will bring you to Google Form. Click on the Next button to proceed. Fill in all your details and we will apply the IBF funding for you. There are a few pages for you to fill in. After the IBF funding has been applied, we will send you an invoice to your email for you to make payment. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps. If you have any clarifications, you may email us at inquiry@tertiaryinfotech.com.